Some may say it's one of the most iconic cars Lamborghini ever made, and the closest you'll ever get to one is a Matchbox car or an Escape electric set. But assembled between 1974 and 1990, straight out of a factory in Italy, this rear-engined, rear-wheel drive 3.9 to 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V12 is one of the most talked about Lamborghinis ever made. Its predecessor, the Lamborghini Miura, and its successor, the Lamborghini Diablo, sits flush in between both as one of the most desired Lamborghinis to ever own. Its designer Marcello Gandini managed to draw a fascinating, unconventional car that left everyone speechless. Lamborghini wanted to build the most spectacular supercar ever made, one that would be more advanced than its time, one that would bring a bigger impact than the Miura did, one that would become the dream car of every schoolboy and girl in the following years to come. Yes, I'm talking about the Lamborghini Countach. So while I was at Autosport International, I saw a classic-looking Lamborghini Countach, but to be sure, I thought I'd speak to the owners to get some more information. Right, so I'm with Steve. How are you?
I'm good.
How's things, Steve?
Fantastic. It's a busy show, so
Yeah.
we're enjoying every bit. I'll take a talk.
Yeah, I bet you are. Tell me about your Lamborghini Countach.
Oh, basically, this is a Mirage Countach.
Right,
It's
okay.
not a Lamborghini Countach, so this is a replica.
Okay.
And this car, we found it in a hedge, buried up to the doors.
Okay.
Straight enough, and this is how we found it. We basically found it on eBay. We bought it within seconds, because these are still worth a small fortune.
Yes, they are. How much would you say these are worth, like the replica cars?
No idea.
Because you can't really...
There's nothing to really gauge it on. So cars are only worth as much as people are going to pay for them.
Exactly.
Maybe in someone's eyes, when this is restored, you might get £75,000 for it.
That's still a lot of money.
Yeah,
I saw when Matt tried to buy one in the US that time, that went for thousands, hundreds of thousands.
Yep, that's it.
Right, so tell me a little bit about it, like the colour, the wheels, like, okay, you found it in a hedge now.
Well,
What's your plan?
Well, we're actually going to restore this is a running car.
Yeah.
It runs, the engine runs, the drivetrain's perfect.
Yes, show me the key, I just saw.
This is how we originally started it up, and this is how we found it.
Wow.
This is the ignition key. Unfortunately, it wasn't even in the car. It was in the engine bay, which is bizarre, isn't it?
Wow,
But what we're going to do with it, because it is a running engine, and because the drivetrain does run, and everything like that, what we're basically going to do is restore the inside. We're going to restore all the bottom. We're going to restore the engine bay. That's what we do. And from there, we're just going to drive it.
Okay,
and
what engine is it?
This is a V8 as opposed to your V12 that's normally in this car. We still will get round about 450 brake horsepower out of it.
Are you going to keep the colour the same?
Yeah, why not? It's really striking.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
I mean, under here, when you look at this, it looks like it's been red at some point, but it hasn't.
Yeah.
This is actually the release coat for the fiberglass.
Right.
And this is the original yellow, and this is a layer of yellow that somebody's put on the top. But this is the only, probably maybe a replica. There's no car based underneath this. This is made the same as a Lamborghini Countach. This is a box frame and box chassis, and it's got all the fiberglass wrapped around it. So there's no MR2 underneath here. It's not a kit car.
Wow,
it's a replica.
It's a replica, right. So
most of these panels are still original Lamborghini Countach.
Wow, because we saw the VIN number on the side of the car, so we thought, okay, so you probably need a Mirage or there's a Lamborghini Countach.
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome. So where can people find it? Will people be following the build? Have you got a YouTube channel?
Yep, the YouTube channel is Yorkshire Car Restorations. What you will see is you'll see a lot of, we work with creators. What we do is we restore creators' cars. So we've got Shmee 150, we've got his 914, we've got Matt Armstrong's E24.
Yes.
We're working with Cheer off of Petrol Hedonism. We've got Adam C, we've got Rata Ross's car, we're just about all the big YouTubers. We're restoring their cars, and including the Late Break Show. We'll be doing something hopefully with the Stig in the future, so keep an eye on the channel because all the builds are there.
Wow, so I'm a YouTuber and I've got a 1998 GT Turbo 555 Super Impreza, which is number one. a 13, which is number one, the actual number one which came in. I wonder if you'll be interested in restoring that. I'll have to send you something. I've tried to restore it, it's not gone too far, but it's number one of 13. So.
I'll tell you what to do. If you watch our channel,
yes,
that'll teach you how to restore it, because we restore them with basic tools. That car over there, which is the Cosmo, that car was restored with basic tools. And if you watch the channel, that car is unsavable to most people.
Really?
Yeah.
We're going to give it a follow and we're going to give it a watch.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. And hopefully we want to see great things. Hopefully we can come down and see what the Countach looks like once it's been restored. What's the ETA for it?
We don't have one.
You have work? Yeah, that's fine.
It kind of works how it does. Unfortunately, we've got about 40 cars restoring inside and 40 cars outside. So I've got a good lot of work at the moment.
Okay. Thank you for your time, Steve. You've been fantastic.
No problem at all. Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much. Wow. And remember, subscription's free, so this is the best time to hit that subscribe button if you love this content and want to see more. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.